Do you want to be able to take on new home care patients, but worried it would overburden your staff or drain your resources? With home delivery and remote setup from Philips, you can grow your business without the worry. It not only gets the equipment to the patient's door, it provides patients with step-by-step support from setup through adherence. Device, mask, and sleep apnea education is provided remotely by licensed RTs to guide patients through the setup process. Let's take a look at how it works.
Good morning. My name is Emma. I'm calling on behalf of ABC Medical, and I'm calling today about your sleep therapy equipment.
Okay, good morning.
I wanted to let you know that your equipment will be shipped to your home. Can I quickly verify your address? I have it as 280 Ridgewood Lane. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Great. And your email is michael55@email.com.
Yes, that's right too.
Great. Your equipment will be shipped standard second day. It will require someone to sign for it when it arrives. Can we send the tracking information to your email so you can be sure to have someone available to sign for it?
Yes, that'd be great.
Okay, now we just need to schedule the date and time for your setup appointment. Does next Monday at 6:00 p.m. work for you?
The 26th? Yep, that works great.
Okay, just one more thing before I let you go. I also wanted to let you know that we have partnered with Philips, the manufacturer of your new equipment. They've created some online tools that can help you in getting ready for your therapy.
Okay, what kind of tools are they?
After this call, you'll get an email allowing you to register to access these tools. They're short interactive videos about sleep apnea, your new equipment, and next steps. You can watch them on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. All you'll need to do is follow the instructions in the email to register online. It just takes a few moments.
Okay, I have my tablet and my phone to use here, so I'll look out for the email.
That's great. You will be contacted again by a clinician on Friday at 6:00 p.m. to perform your setup. Do you have any questions about what's going to happen next?
No, I think it's pretty clear. I'll keep an eye out for that tracking information.
Great. It's been a pleasure talking with you today. If you have any questions in the meantime, you can call us at the number you'll find in the email we'll be sending you.
Great, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
My name is Dave, and I'm a respiratory therapist calling on behalf of ABC Medical, your home medical provider.
The package just arrived this morning.
Oh, great. That's what I was calling about. First, can you tell me, did the box arrive intact and undamaged?
Everything looks good to me.
Okay, great. If you have a few minutes, I'd like to walk you through a few simple steps to get started. Does that sound good?
Yep, I'm ready to go.
Okay. If you have the ability, it might help to put your phone on speakerphone, or to use a headset if you have one, so you can more freely use your hands.
1 second, let me put you on speaker. There, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. Let's get started. First, remove the machine from the box. Now, place the machine on a clean, flat surface and connect the power cord to the power supply on the back of the machine. Do you see it?
Yep, I got it. Should I go ahead and plug it in?
Yes, please do. Is it powering on?
Yep, it's all lit up.
Can I ask, have you watched the online videos that Philips created?
I did. They were very helpful.
Okay. Before using your equipment tonight, you'll want to wash the mask and any extra cushions with mild detergent and water. Also, your humidifier requires distilled water, so you'll want to pick that up before using your PAP device.
Okay, got it.
I did want to tell you about Dream Mapper.
What is that?
Dream Mapper is a free and secure sleep management mobile app program for sleep apnea patients. It works with your equipment, and it's something you can use from your phone or tablet to better understand and manage your therapy. If you would like, we can email you information to assist you in signing up for this free service.
Yes, please do.
Can I please verify your email address? Is it michael55@email.com?
Yes, that's it.
Ready to get started? Visit our site to learn more. Now you've seen how Philips Home Delivery and Remote Setup goes further for you and your patients.